आपके मुताबिक ultimately when the dust settles on the 13th of January, your case, your understanding, the election commission is that you granted him the election symbol under section 63(3). Is that correct?
मैं देख लूँ एक दफा सेक्शन 63
आपकी क्या पोजीशन? 67 जो पोजीशन है सो है
जी सर। मेरी पोजीशन ये है कि द आरओज वेंट विद,
देखिए आप हमें सिर्फ ये बता दीजिए आरओ की जो है, आरओ तो आप ही के लोग हैं, आप हमें बताइए इलेक्शन कमीशन की क्या पोजीशन है।
मैं बताता हूँ।
आपने उनको इलेक्शन सिंबल टावर जो अलॉट किया अंडर सेक्शन 67(3) किया, इज दैट योर पोजीशन?
3 किया। Yes,
that is your.
जी।
उसी के इंटरप्रिटेशन में आप चल रहे हैं ना। Under 67(3) you said he was independent.
May I clarify?
एक बात और बता दें।
एक चीज मैं सिर्फ just my submission for consideration that overall now my lord I even and this is for Mr. Jasir Yahya Afridi because there are some PTI tickets which have come, so I also saw them yesterday, my lord, but overall the approach that was taken and the trend, and I think that was a very good expression. The overall approach of let me say of the ECP in these matters, as my lord said, when the dust settled, their very last जो उनकी सबसे लास्ट रिक्वेस्ट थी उस पे एक्ट हुआ।
Forget them. You give us your understanding.
ये मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये है।
आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये है कि if because I've noted this down that you have given them the ticket of tower, this gentleman rather, under section 67(3).
Yes.
Now the other 80 or 81 candidates of PTI, and you say you have gone through their nomination forms.
I have now.
Now, my question to you, and you say you'll bring them before.
I will come in.
Yes, but we'll take your word. Your counsel at the bar.
Thanks.
The nomination papers, forget the election symbol, that. The nomination papers of those candidates, where they have under in form A, they have to say, I belong to such and such party. What do they say? Which party do they belong to?
मैं बताता हूँ सर, वो 2-3 कैटेगरीज में आती हैं. I'll answer this, sir. And where's the paper? Do you have 13 of these? Please give them. My lord, I will answer this for every. I'll give a table because the short answer is there is no consistent. So in some cases, and I will go through all 81 now on this table. In some cases, in some cases, it's left blank. So
once you have that record in front of us, फिर ही दिखाएंगे.
अच्छा चलिए ठीक है, तो वो
इस तरह हवा में बात हो रही है ना.
चलिए ठीक है.
एक बात और बता दें इस तरफ.
बट ये टेबल आप इनको अगर दें तो ये इसमें सारा डेटा है.
सिकंदर ये बता दें कि लास्ट डेट ऑफ रिवाइज लिस्ट वाज फाइनल लिस्ट 12/1/2024 लास्ट डेट थी
इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम में जी.
लास्ट डेट ऑफ फाइनल लिस्ट 12/1, यानी तमाम स्क्रूटनी के बाद ये
विड्रॉल जी, लास्ट डेट फॉर विड्रॉल जी.
विड्रॉल भी खत्म हुई.
बिल्कुल सर.
क्या विड्रॉल के बाद किसी कैंडिडेट को ये इख्तियार है कि वो अगर एक मरतबा एक पार्टी की तरफ से एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट के साथ कागजात जमा कर दे, फिर वो कहे नो मैं दूसरी पार्टी में जाना चाहता हूं,
जी सर,
वो कर सकता है?
सर जी, मेरा सबमिशन इस पे ये है, which I think I addressed yesterday also sir, कि वो जो स्टेज 8 है ना सर, आप अभी पढ़ रहे थे 7, 8 है लास्ट डेट फॉर विड्रॉल ऑफ कैंडिडेट, ठीक है सर. 9 है अलॉटमेंट ऑफ इलेक्शन सिंबल. ही कैन डू इट अंटिल देन सर.
लास्ट डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल के बाद,
लास्ट डेट ऑफ सर विड्रॉल के बाद तो सिर्फ ये हो जाता है कि द कैंडिडेट्स जिनके नॉमिनेशन पेपर एक्सेप्ट हो गए हैं एंड दे चोज नॉट टू विड्रॉ, ये फाइनल लिस्ट आ जाती है. दैट्स द कंटेस्टिंग कैंडिडेट्स.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आफ्टर लास्ट डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल,
यस ही कैन डू इट सर.
क्या कोई कैंडिडेट ये कह सकता है कि मैं इस पार्टी को छोड़कर दूसरी पार्टी के टिकट लेना चाहता हूँ?
My lord, I have my submission on that is that
law बता दें आप. submission law must support.
My lord, वो आखिरी दिन तक कर सकता है.
आखिरी दिन हो गया.
Sir, when I say आखिरी दिन, I mean the deadline for allotment of symbol. There is just a small difference between my lord's view and mine. Aap sir, yesterday also my lord had observed, my lord is taking the date on serial number. Sir, 13/1.
Deadline for withdrawal is 12.
Yes, I am submitting that they can still seek a different symbol until the 13th, not the 12th.
सिंबल की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं विड्रॉल की बात कर रहा हूँ एक शख्स एक पार्टी ए से डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करता है
जी
12 तारीख लास्ट डेट है फॉर विड्रॉल की इसके बाद विड्रॉल नहीं हो सकती विड्रॉल की डेट गुजरने के बाद क्या वो पार्टी एफिलिएशन चेंज कर सकता है या नहीं कर
Is there a provision for it?
Yes, why not?
वो पढ़
देते हैं ना 66 and 67 3
That you can shift your nomination to another party. That's the question.
जी
मैं अपनी बुक्स लाती हूँ मेरी बुक्स
नहीं 67 मेरे लॉ
Section 66.
जी सर वो इधर रख दो 66 डाल दो
वो तो सिर्फ कहते हैं ना कि आप सबमिट कर सकते
Ji, my lord, I'll just explain why I'm saying that. So, my lord, it's saying, उससे ऊपर वाला my lord section है section 65 जो कि withdrawal की बात करता है ठीक है सर then they are validly nominated candidates then sir 66 says a contesting candidate before seeking allotment of a prescribed symbol. Now I will stop and go to the election program. So in the
Can you
election,
just finish reading it?
तो
sir,
पढ़ तो लेना
Ji. I'm sorry, sir. I know that I should read the whole section before. I apologize. A contesting candidate.
65 to 66.
ठीक है sir. A validly nominated candidate may, by notice in writing, signed by him and delivered to the returning officer on or before the withdrawal date, either by the candidate himself or by an advocate authorized in writing by the candidate, withdraw his candidature.
This is a different thing. This is candidature being withdrawn.
We can, bilkul.
That's not the case before us.
हमारी
It's not-
nomination की बात
It's not the case before us, sir. I agree.
66 पे.
A contesting candidate, before seeking allotment of a prescribed symbol, shall file a declaration before the returning officer about his affiliation with a particular party, if any, along with a certificate from the political party showing that he is that party's candidate from the constituency. Now, my lord, may I make my submission on this section?
I just have a clarification.
Sir.
Before you do that, can you just clarify?
Sir.
Because when I read this,
Zala Saad wala.
which is this document, the statutory declaration, at page, there are two documents, D and F. E, ये क्या है? E and F. D and E.
D and E, sir.
Now, I see an apparent contradiction between the two. Which one, I mean, in this sort of situation, I would imagine that there should not be. The statute declaration should state the same thing as the certificate.
Absolutely correct.
How, now I'm a returning officer, what do I do with this form?
Sir, मैं इसका
I mean,
answer.
should I just reject it? You can't contest
Okay,
elections?
so that was one option.
What is to be happen then?
So,
Could I just add to that question? So the returning officer has before him a certificate of a party,
Yes.
and the rest is a self-styled document of the candidate himself.
You-
So what?
Statutory declaration.
Sir,
Yes,
वो-
by a candidate himself.
Ji, but sir-
So there is the third party intervention is the party's
सर वो
certificate.
सेल्फ स्टाइल्ड नहीं है वो सेक्शन 66 उसको
No,
envisage
मतलब
करता
उस
है।
आदमी ने कहा है ना पार्टी ने तो
मतलब-
कोई सपोर्ट नहीं किया इस बात को क्योंकि उसने वो भी नहीं लगाया
Agreed,
ना
sir. Agreed. I've got my lord's point that affidavit is not issued by the political
Does the-
party,
does the
but it's
law-
required to be issued.
No,
Sir,
once-
no, it doesn't.
Does the law attend to this sort of discrepancy, or you have to use
Yes.
intelligence or whatever?
Sir, so इस